Hello guys, today we're gonna draw an ice cream cone. Are you ready? Okay guys, first we're going to imagine a circle, but then we're gonna draw most of it and not all of it. We're gonna start by here to draw a circle going in a round shape, slowly. To the other side. Kada, Glina? Okay, we're gonna add a ruffle to the bottom of the ice cream. Starting by swoop, then the letter U, all the way to the other side. Another swoop. Okay, just like that. We're going to draw a letter V for the ice cream cone, starting with a line from this side to the center. Same thing here. To the center. Isn't this cone empty? Let's add a waffle pattern to it. We're gonna draw diagonal lines all over it. Starting from the left side to the right side. Same way, when we run out of space, we're gonna do it in the right side. Can't you see how these lines are crisscrossing? Now that we got our ice cream cone done, now we're gonna add some sprinkles to our ice cream. But how can sprinkle be black? Let's use our colors. How about pink? Okay, now we're gonna draw little circles in the ice cream area. That. Color it. You can draw it wherever you want, as many as you want. Okay, don't you think it's enough pink? Let's change the color with green. I love green. Look at our colorful ice cream. How about we add our cherry? We're gonna draw a circle in the very tip top of the ice cream, just like that. We're not gonna forget about the stem. And here's our cherry. Let's color that. Oh wait, we forgot about this line. Okay, now we're good. Let's color our beautiful ice cream. We start by the cherry, coloring it with red. Okay, done. Let's color, how about our ice cream cone? The waffle pattern will be in brown. A hint of it. Then the cone itself with beige. Okay, let's choose a flavor for our ice cream scoop. I prefer pistachio usually, but this color is kind of light for it. I'll do bubblegum. This blue, we're gonna draw circles around every sprinkle. Then we're going to color. Okay. After all this drawing, I think I'm craving some ice cream. But before I go, please type your favorite flavor. Bye.